Hello everybody and welcome to my 40th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to use the workbook before close event. So let's just get rid of our workbook open one. And then click on your workbook drop down, and then we want to go to our before close. I'm only going to show you a few of these, so if you want to know quite a lot of the others, I'm only going to do a couple more. But all of them are all the same, and if you want to know how to do them, just click on them and then go on to the help. I'm going to show you the main ones anyway. So here's before close, and you'll notice as this is giving you a cancel variable again as boolean. So if you set this equals true, so cancel equals true, then when you try and close the workbook, it's going to cancel it and it's not actually going to close. So if I show you this now, and then you notice it's not doing anything when I try to close it down. So that's how you use that variable. You can put in whatever extra code as well that you want. So, sorry, you are not allowed to close. And then when we try and close it down, it says, sorry, you're not allowed to close. And you can do other things, like you can prompt to save it to a certain location, you can get it to email off somewhere. You can put, again, whatever code in there that you like. So that's it for this tutorial. Again, a very quick one. And I hope to catch you in the next tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use the before save.